Today I'm going to talk about something which I am very passionate about fashion, definitely. Now, you might think, what exactly is fast and slow fashion? So, that is, these brands come under fast fashion. Now, what exactly is fast fashion? So, fast fashion is a fashion retailers for designers and designs that flow from the catwalk quickly to capture current fashion trends. The two main components of fast fashion is it's cheap and it is trendy. And third, from a business perspective, fashion growth depends on high production and lower production costs. Now we'll dig a little more deeper. We'll understand why is it bad. So one thing is fashion industry is one of the biggest polluters, all right? Fashion is something which all of us buy, which all of us want, and thus it is one of the biggest polluters. Secondly, 90% of the world's clothing is produced in low and middle income countries. Can easily buy these clothes. They are easily accessible, they are cheap, they are trendy. It's because of the pressure that they put on their workers. And third, the dyes used to create to make all these clothes, the beautiful clothes that you see, they are toxic. That is high rates of production, it comes with low quality. Now the deal is, what can we do? We know the problem and we need to find a solution for the same. So we have to make a transition from fast fashion to slow fashion. So slow fashion, it is a concept describing the opposite of fast fashion, which advocates for manufacturing in respect to people, environment, and animals. This is how we make the transition. First is sustainable brands. Now, there are so many brands in India that are really doing well, and few of them are Doodlage and Nicobar. They are doing really well with young adults, teenagers, because they are producing clothes which are both fashionable but also at the same time sustainable. If not sustainable brands, we have thrifting. Now, what exactly is thrifting? So, there are thrift stores, not many in India, but there are many thrift stores out there where you basically buy clothes that are secondhand. And these stores, they offer a huge variety of clothes. This is something that I came across during this quarantine period, and that is online thrift stores on Instagram. And they are doing extremely well. They are reliant, they are cheap, they are accessible, and they are doing really good. You have a ton of options, be it for guys, for girls. You want shoes, bags, then they have some. There are some branded thrift stores as well.
I'm like that, one of those people who, if I like something, I become a die-hard fan of it. So this is a still from Avengers Endgame, where
Oh,
Iron Man, Thor, and Captain America are actually facing Thanos. So I don't know if you can see this or not, but like this is the arm of Thanos, and then we have Iron Man here, then Captain America, and then
right.
Thor.
There's thought. Yeah.
Look at the other diagonal on the top right, I have that philosophical question I've been thinking about for a long time. Who am I? And many of the people. And on the bottom left, I have this science symbol of science. So I like science. I love science, and then I love philosophy also. And then there is this part of me which doesn't know if there is a debate between science and philosophy which I should support.
Thank you. Thank you for being so cool, everyone.